Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to voice over a presentation on Canva. I have two different options for you. The first option is to record directly on Canva, and the second option is to upload your pre-recording file to Canva and then import to your presentation. For the first option, you can see I have an example presentation over here. If you want to record direct voiceover, you can go to present icon over here. I will choose this one, and then you need to choose the present and record. I will choose this one and I will choose next and go to recording studio. If you open record studio the first time, it will ask you permission to use cameras and microphones, to allow microphone and cameras, and then you will see this panel over here. We have the cameras and the microphone. So you can see this one have no cameras because I'm using cameras to my webcam right now. I will turn off my webcam and you can see the webcam will coming back. Okay, I turned off my webcam now and the webcam are coming back. So you can see me right now using the webcam of my device. You need to choose a microphone for recording. If you want to use a microphone on your earphone like this, or you have other microphone, you will choose your microphone over here. After that, you will choose start recording. Okay, you start recording. You can see your webcam is record directly my voice in this presentation. You can see how much time you're recording over here. See the presentation over here. You can go to next slide and start presenting about your projects. You also can see two options over here. The one is pause. You can pause if you want to prepare something while presenting. When you're ready back, you can record it again. When you finish your presentation, you can choose end recording, and now Canva will upload your recording. Okay, my record is ready now, and by this way you can record your presentation with your webcam and your microphone directly to Canva. So now I will show you the second solution, that if you have your pre-recording file and you want to import to Canva project. Now I will upload my file, and for example I have my pre-recording voice is this file, so I will choose this file, upload this audio file, and then after that I will drag this audio file to the music section of this videos like this. As you can see, we have a voiceover right in the slide, and similar we do with number 2, number 3. I will drag this music here, and then we have a voiceover for slide number 2. You can trim the voice like this to fit in to slide number 2 like this one, and I can copy this one and paste to slide number 3 like this one. Again, I can paste again to slide number 5 for example. Okay, that's a way you can import your voice. So when you finish, you click share over here, you choose download as an MP4 videos, and then you need to select the page. You will select all the page, or you can customize the page you want to download, and then you click download. Okay, that's all the solutions that I know to have a voiceover on Canva project. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.